In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate Google Analytics to find out how many unique visitors have interacted with your website. Understanding this number is crucial for tracking your website's performance and engagement, so let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to analytics.google.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one already, you'll need to create an account to proceed. Signing in is important because it gives you access to the powerful analytics tools offered by Google, which can provide invaluable insights into your website's traffic and user behavior. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Google Analytics. This is your central hub for accessing all kinds of data about your website's visitors. To get to the information we're looking for, you'll need to navigate through the menu. At the top of the page, you'll see a selection for Reports. Go ahead and click on that. Now, under the Reports section, you'll see several options. Here, you'll want to focus on the Engagement section. Engagement metrics are extremely valuable because they tell you how users interact with your site. They offer insights beyond just visitor numbers, providing context about what your visitors are doing and how they're engaging with your content. Once you're in the engagement section, find and select Events. Events in Google Analytics represent any user interaction you're tracking, like page views, downloads, clicks, or even form submissions. They're crucial for understanding how people are using your site. After you've entered the Events section, there's one key metric you should look for. This is the Total Users column. The Total Users metric is incredibly important because it shows you the number of unique visitors who have triggered at least one event on your website. In other words, these are the individuals who have interacted with your site's content in some way. This data point is distinct from simple page views because it focuses on engagement, signaling how well your content is performing in attracting real user interactions. Pay close attention to these numbers. A high number of unique visitors means your site is effectively drawing in a broad audience. If you're looking for ways to increase these numbers, consider strategies like optimizing your site's SEO, improving user experience, or creating more engaging content that encourages users to interact more extensively with your site. So, there you have it. A simple, straightforward way to track unique visitors engaging with your site using Google Analytics. With these insights, you can make informed decisions to boost your website's performance and growth. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back in for more tips on mastering web analytics.